tied to the trunk. Okay, and notice that they're like chains, and they have big bulbous regions. What would that be? So these are the sympathetic ganglia, and they're part of the sympathetic trunk. Now, if you're looking at the different, yeah, but you're not gonna see that here. So, condylar is part of the spinal cord.
Yeah.
Okay. So, yeah. Right. So, what you're gonna look for the two that are the femoral and the sciatica is what you were talking about.
Yeah.
The femoral, it mainly goes to innervate the anterior thigh, so your quadriceps muscle. So it's shorter than the sciatica is the other thing you'll notice.
Okay.
And it comes out of the lumbar plexus is the other thing. So lumbar plexus right in here, it's going to send the two major ones out. This is the femoral, and look at how short its little fibers are. Like that group of fibers right in there is femoral, just for the quads. Okay, and it's anterior. And then you have your obturator right here, runs through your obturator foramen. Also comes from the lumbar region, and it's short, just your adductor. Okay. The sciatic is the long nerve that runs down the back of the leg, and it comes out of the sacral plexus. So it originates a lot lower down. So you have the sciatic nerve, and it runs back, and see how it comes dotted, meaning it's running behind these structures. And look at how far down it goes. And it's going to split to become the two nerves. It goes all the way and wraps underneath the toe. So all of that lower leg is supplied by that sciatic nerve. It's the biggest nerve of the body. It's the biggest nerve of the body.
Okay. Is this the tibial nerve?
That's the tibial nerve, correct.
This is the common tibial.
Correct. So the sciatic nerve itself is made up of two of them.
Yeah.
Tibial and common fibular.
Right here. Is this tibial nerve?
This would be tibial nerve right here. It's running right down the back of the tibia.
Okay.
Okay. And then the common fibular would be right about right here. And this is dotted because it's running around the side. They do, but you have to see how he's standing.
Yeah.
There's a trick there.
Okay. This is the tibial, right?
Yes.
This is the common tibial.
Correct. And all of that.
Right here.
Again, you have to be careful because he's not in anatomical position. The one thing you'll know about the ulnar nerve is it goes out to innervate the pinky and the ring finger. So over here in the anatomical position, it would be this. And it runs on the side of the ulnar, you're totally correct. So when the arm is flip-flopped, the ulnar nerve looks like it would be this one right in here. Dotted. Yeah. That's tricky. I'm probably making that tricky. Median nerve runs right down the middle. It innervates the first three, the thumb and the first two fingers, so it runs right down the middle. But on this arm, because it's flipped backwards, it's behind the bone. Okay. And the radial, the radial is going to come down and innervate all of the extensors.
I know this one.
Yeah. So I'm just kind of giving you the reference between the two. Yeah, this looks like it would be. It should be on the back side. This is probably the radial right in here. All of these are coming down. Probably just like a radial plexus.